Hi guys, this is a girl Keisha here once again. So today I'm gonna make a vegan pancake. So guys, this pancake is quick and it's simple and it's gonna be very tasty. So as you see over here, I already have my ingredients prepped. So I have all my ingredients: my oil, my honey, my salt, my vanilla, my baking powder, my banana, my almond milk, and my rapeseed oil spray. And here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Over here I have my 2 cups of flour. So I use this tin, guys. I use this baking tin to weigh up my flour. So yes guys, this is the size. So now I'm gonna add my 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So this is the cane sugar, guys. Brown sugar is not white sugar, it's brown sugar. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of it. So I'm gonna add half teaspoon of pink salt. And over here I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So yes guys, there it is, 1 tablespoon. Add 3 tablespoons of the rapeseed oil. 1 teaspoon of the vanilla. There it is. I'm gonna add my almond milk. So here I'm gonna add around, 300 milliliters of almond milk. There it is. So I'm gonna whisk, and if I need more I will add it. And as I said, you can just have everything in and most of the main ingredients in and whisk. So definitely I'm gonna need more almond milk. I'm gonna whisk this out properly first. Now guys, I'm gonna add a next 200 millimeter of almond milk. So in total I had 500 milliliters of almond milk. Okay, so my pancake gonna be very thin. So yes guys, now I'm just gonna add a dash of honey. And over here I have 1 ripe banana. I'm gonna use half instead. So yes guys, I'm gonna use off of the banana. There it is. So I will mash it out. Okay. So now I'm going to scrape out my mashed banana in the bowl here. So I'm gonna just whisk this completely to combine. So okay guys, so now I have my pan here. So I'm going to turn the fire on and low heat. Okay. So okay guys, so I'm going to put some of my rapeseed oil in this bowl here. So I'm going to have it just to touch, use it and brush. So it's quite hot now. Okay. So here use one. So I have my scoop. It's not thick, it's quite runny because I don't want the pancake to be thick. So I'm going to scoop up one scoop to put in here. Perfect guys. So as you see, one scoop is fine enough, and this is going to be a continued process to do our vegan pancake. So yes guys, it's on low heat, and it's best to do on low heat because if you do it on high heat or medium, it's going to burn. So you want to take your time to cook through, and then you turn it over. See, as you see the little bubble in it, you will know when it's cooking through because the color and the texture here gonna change. So you see the bubble coming through, so you will know when to flip it guys. So this is the way you know how to flip it and know so it's ready. So I'm going to check through and turn. So there's a color of it, looking beautiful. Let's see the bottom of it. I like the crisp and the sound of it, so that's beautiful. Perfect guys. So yes, I wanted to thin enough, and as you see, it's quite thin, so that's perfect guys. there. Have this one turned. Looking beautiful. And it smells good, guys. It's gorgeous. So again, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Grease the pan. Put this here. So just one scoop in there. So guys, as you see, I've done the first one, and it's gonna be a continue process. So I will try to do as much and then come back to you at the okay. So yes guys, so I will definitely come back at the final finishing up. And yes, this is a vegan pancake, and it's simple, sure, it's tasty. I'm gonna come back to you in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, I'm back again. So I'm gonna test and see. Turn, looking all beautiful. Scorch. So I'll definitely take this one off. Okay, so I have a small portion, so I'm gonna put it on just to grease the pan here. So I have a small portion here, not much. Okay, if I try that, I'm gonna do this. So you can see I have one leaf, and then that's it. We're gonna do the finishing up touch and have a lovely pancake. Yes guys, a delicious vegan pancake here. So we're looking forward to have that. So we'll give it the next 3 minutes and get it really golden crisp and come back to you. Okay guys, so let's check our last and single pancake. Oh yes, looking beautiful. Pick up some oil around it. Looking good guys. So leave it for the next 3 minutes again and come back to you. Okay guys, I'm back to check on my last pancake, and there it is. So it's all finished here. So I can turn the stove off and just remove this pan from the heat. So now over here I have my complete finished pancake, and looking all beautiful, and I can assure you it's quite soft. Wash my hands. Okay, got my hand nice and clear. So now I have my ripe banana. So I have this half banana what I did cut earlier. I'm going to just use it just to do a little, just to have a bit of banana on the side. I would love to have my strawberry, but I couldn't have my hands on any. So instead, I will have my half of ripe banana. So yes guys, I have my banana here. So I'm just gonna have it cut, slice a bit around. So guys, so this is the vanilla ripe banana vegan pancake. So you'll enjoy it. Quite simple, gorgeous, and tasty. So you definitely love it, guys. Just gonna use some strawberry topping. So this is dessert strawberry. Not much today, so I'm just gonna put just a bit on it. Also, I'm gonna use the pure honey, put some on the pancake also. There it is. So yes guys, so this is my completely finish up pancake, looking all beautiful, you know, simple, tasty, vegan pancake. I have ripe banana here, a dash of strawberry topping, and a bit of honey. Definitely guys, this is so munchy and it is soft and have this crunch with it, so it's not dry or you know, quite, yeah, it's not dry, so it's beautiful. So guys, definitely. So yes guys, looking good. It's quite spongy and beautiful. So definitely, if you like this video, I know wanted to see more of video like this, please like, share and subscribe. Also guys, leave me a message below. I will definitely get back to you. Appreciate you taking the time out to join me in my kitchen and watch this gorgeous, simple, tasty, delicious vegan pancake. And I hope you really enjoy this video, and give it a thumbs up, and remember, like, share and subscribe. Okay, have a fantastic evening, and look out for yourself and be gorgeous all the time. Bye.